Prevalence of infection in guinea pigs, in Poland with different clinical disorders, a pilot study. Welcome to Journal Club. The latest academic research, explained in plain English. Today we're looking at this paper from MDPI's Journal of Animals. It's authored by Wilczynska, et al., from the University of Life Sciences Lublin in Poland, and is published open access under a CC BY license. Let's start by translating the title into more accessible language. When you read this title, you can understand it to mean in very simple terms that this paper is a small study that looked at how common infections are in guinea pigs in Poland who have different medical conditions. Let's expand on that a little. The research paper explores how common infections are in guinea pigs that have different health conditions. The study aimed to get some initial information on this topic. Now we understand the title, which is a good start, but before we can break down the full paper, we'll need to catch up on some terminology, jargon, background information and context. Specifically, there are some key concepts you'll need to be familiar with. Let's define them now. Encephalitozoanosis. A disease caused by microsporidia, often found in rabbits and other animal species. Microsporidia? Fungi frequently found in the environment, resistant to numerous external factors. Real-time PCR, a laboratory technique used to detect and measure the amount of DNA or RNA in a sample in real time. Guinea pigs, a domesticated rodent species often kept as pets. Clinical disorders, medical conditions affecting the body or mind. Nervous system symptoms, symptoms related to the nervous system, such as seizures or tremors. Urinary system symptoms, symptoms related to the urinary system, such as difficulty urinating or blood in urine. Vision organs, organs related to the eyes, such as the retina or optic nerve. Respiratory system, the organs and tissues involved in breathing, such as the lungs and bronchi. Thyroid gland dysfunction, a condition where the thyroid gland produces too much or too little of certain hormones. Now that we understand the title and key concepts, we're ready to dive in and break down this paper. In this presentation we're going to attempt to answer 5 questions. 1. What were the researchers trying to figure out? Or more specifically, what was their hypothesis? 2. How did they conduct their experiment? That is, how did they test their hypothesis? 3. What were the results of the experiment? 4. What conclusions did the authors draw from those results? And lastly, 5. Why does this research matter? Why should you care? 1. What were the researchers trying to figure out? The researchers hypothesized that encephalitozoanosis, caused by microsporidia fungi, is prevalent in guinea pigs with various clinical disorders, and that it may pose a significant problem for both the animals and humans who come into contact with them. 2. How did they conduct their experiment? The researchers first obtained 67 guinea pigs with encephalitozoanosis from pet stores in Poland, and then performed blood testing and molecular analysis to confirm the presence of the infection. The guinea pigs also underwent imaging testing using a CT scanner and ophthalmological examination. The study was conducted in accordance with EU Convention for the Protection of Animals used for scientific purposes, and the owners of the guinea pigs consented to the use of their animals for scientific purposes. 3. What were the results? The researchers found that a significant proportion of guinea pigs in Poland with different clinical disorders had various health problems. Nervous system disorders were observed in 19%, urinary system disorders in 34%, eye disorders in 15%, and thyroid dysfunction in 12% of the examined animals. Other symptoms included respiratory, reproductive, and digestive system or ear disorders in 19% of the animals. These findings suggest that a range of health issues should be considered when examining and treating guinea pigs in Poland. 4. What conclusions did the authors draw from their results? The researchers found that microsporidia infections, specifically encephalitozoanosis, in guinea pigs are relatively common in Poland. This is concerning because these infections can pose a serious threat to other animals, including humans, and often go undiagnosed, due to their variable symptoms. Understanding the clinical course of encephalitozoanosis and identifying potential reservoirs of the disease is important for effective treatment and prevention, as well as protecting public health. 5. Why does this research matter? The research paper highlights the prevalence of encephalitozoanosis in guinea pigs and its potential impact on humans. The importance of the paper lies in raising awareness about the potential risks associated with keeping guinea pigs as pets and the need for efficient diagnostics, prevention, and therapy to protect public health. We hope you've enjoyed this Journal Club presentation of prevalence of infection in guinea pigs, in Poland with different clinical disorders, a pilot study. If you'd like to read the full paper yourself, which we encourage you to do, you can find it at DOI 10.3390/ARNI 131219992.